Hello and welcome to this Really Simple Systems webinar on customising your CRM. My name is Helen Armour and I'm the Marketing Manager at Really Simple Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to customise your CRM to fit your business requirements. I'll be covering the customisation of your dashboard to highlight what's important to you, your data summary tables, how to create custom fields and custom drop-down lists, and we'll also take a look at custom reports. In the next section, we'll look at some custom security settings, and then finally with integrations with the CRM, looking at API and the accounting software integrations. Most of our customization features are available in all our price plans. The only exception is the custom security features, and I'll explain those later. Okay, let's get started. When you first open your CRM system, you'll be met with a welcome page, and you've got various to-dos highlighted for you to have a look at here to help you get started. But once you're familiar with the CRM system, you can switch this off by going to the Dashboard Options button and unclicking the Show Welcome, and this gets rid of that page. Within each page of the CRM, you'll find a help drawer that you can pull out for tips and further information. There's tutorial videos and links through to our customer support hub where you'll find more help resources. If you want to create more space on your screen, you can collapse the main menu by clicking the arrow at the top of the page. And don't forget, you can increase or decrease the font size by holding down the control button on your keypad and clicking the plus or minus buttons. You can further customize your dashboard by adding or removing the different widgets available to you. Again, if you go to Dashboard Options and click Add Remove Widgets, you have various options to add in the different widgets that you might want to use. So you just hover your mouse over the widget you want, it will turn green and you click and that'll add it. And then if you want to remove it, hovering over again, it will appear red and you click it and it'll remove it. Then you just save using the Save button at the bottom of the screen. The widgets are driven by the CRM activity, so at first they may be blank, but as you add accounts and contacts and make sales and opportunities, the data will feed into your widgets and give you a summary of your business activity on your dashboard. So you can see on this example here, I've got my accounts and leads being shown on the dashboard, and I've also got a table of my opportunities and forecast summary along with my sales funnel. We'll next move on to the custom data tables. You have summary tables within each section of your CRM system, so within your accounts or contacts, opportunities, etc. At first this will be blank, but as you populate the CRM system, your summary tables will appear, and you can customize the different columns by moving the fields around to suit your requirements. So it's a drag and drop feature. You just click in the title bar at the top and slide that column to the position that you want it to appear. So just click on the name, hold down the mouse and slide that column to where you want it to go. If you want to add or remove more columns, if you click on the columns box on the far right hand side of your screen, you can then select from the list which columns you want to appear in that particular table and then just save. You'll see you can also add in your custom fields here. I'll show you how to set up custom fields in a moment, but you can select these to be displayed in your summary table as well. It's worth remembering that the table will resize according to the screen that you're viewing on, so it could be on a phone or it could be a desktop computer, in which case if you've got more columns open than you've got space for on the screen, you'll see a small plus sign in the far right hand side, and if you click on that it'll open up the other fields that you've got data held in. As well as the summary tables, you have tables within each section of the company account page, for example, contacts, tasks and activities. Each of these tables can be customized in the same way, by dragging and dropping the titles and selecting the columns you wish to appear. Customizing your dashboard and data tables is done at each individual user level, so you can just display the information you require for your role. I'm next going to show you how to create a custom field. You can add custom fields to the various pages of your CRM, so for example your accounts, your contacts, activities, opportunities or tasks. A standard field could be a free format text or numeric box, or you could have it set as a checkbox, email address, percentage, etc. For this example, I'm going to create a new field called Headcount in the Account table to record the number of staff employed by my customers. This will be a numeric field. To create the new field, I go to Settings, then System Settings, then Custom Field, and open the Accounts table. Here I find an unused custom field, for example custom field 10, check the live box and add the description, headcount. I set the type to numeric and then save. I can set the number of decimal places required, and I can also make the field mandatory by checking the box on the right hand side. If I then go back to the account page, I can see that a new field has been added and I can add my customer data. You will also see that some of the CRM fields are driven by drop-down lists. You can edit these to fit your business or create new ones. For example, on the Opportunities page, you may want to change the status list to better reflect the sales process you use. To do this, go to Settings, System Settings, and Custom drop-down lists. Open the Opportunity status and edit the list items and save. To create a new list, in Custom drop-down lists, click Add and give your list a name. I'm going to create a list called Product Interest. And then add the items of my products. Once you've created the list, go to Custom Fields and create a new custom field, setting the type to text and finding your drop-down list in the box titled Lookup Table. You might want to create a list whereby you can select more than one item. In this case, when setting up your custom field, set the type to multi-line. Back on the account page, you'll be able to select all the items required. On the Opportunities page, you can customize the system by adding your various products and services to the list in opportunity lines. This will enable you to itemize your sales quotations. Moving on to custom reports, you'll find there's two powerful report writers in your CRM, so you can run reports on all your CRM data, including your custom fields. The system comes with some standard reports already set up for you, but you can either edit these or create custom reports as you like on all the data. Custom reports is a whole topic on its own, so rather than attempting to cover it here, I would suggest that you watch our webinar, Managing Your CRM Reports. Within your CRM system, you can customize the user security settings. This is particularly useful if you have different teams of people using the CRM system. The User Permissions Level feature, available in our Professional and Enterprise plans, lets you increase security by limiting access for certain users or user groups. For example, you can set up user groups for UK sales and US sales and create user profiles that can be allocated to individuals and to the user groups. Each CRM user belongs to a user group and has a user profile. A user group is a name such as UK sales, marketing, or management, and has no other properties. A user profile will determine whether the user has read, write, or no access to all accounts, accounts that belong to other users in their group, or just their own accounts. To set up user permission levels, in Settings, go to User Settings, and then User Groups. Just give your group a name and save. You can create user groups for both reporting and security. Next, create your user profiles to determine what level of access you want to grant each user. In Settings, go to User Settings and open User Profiles. Create a new profile and use the drop-down lists to set the access limits for the profile. To apply the profile to a user, go to the User Management tab and open the user record by clicking on their name or adding a new user. Then select the user group and profile for that user. If you're using our Enterprise plan, our support team can set up additional field and object level permissions for you. With field level permissions, you can individually specify both read and write access for any field in your CRM. And with object level permissions, you can define create, read, update and delete access for each object in the CRM. That's the accounts, contacts, tasks, activities, etc. Finally, we're going to look at the different integration options available with your CRM. You can customize your CRM with one of our 3 accounting software programs. That's Xero, Cashflow and Sage 1. Xero is available worldwide and Cashflow and Sage 1 just within the UK. This is a simple process and it means you can synchronize data between your accounting systems and your CRM. And this is available in all our price plans. If you go to Settings and Integrations, the accounting software, you can see that there's setup buttons and you just click through and create an integration once you've already created an account with the software program. Our CRM also integrates with Zapier.com, the cloud software integration service. Zapier allows you to integrate your Really Simple Systems CRM with the other cloud-based systems you may use. The Zapier directory lists hundreds of products that you can integrate, and these include Gmail, MailChimp, Google Contacts and Wufoo. If you have software development resources within your organization, you can also set up an integration with our CRM API, that's the Application Program Interface. This will allow you to read and write the data in your CRM to other software applications you use in your business and to update your information. If you need further help in using any of these customization features, don't forget to use the help drawer for tutorial videos, tips and links to our customer support hub, where you'll find more help and resources. If you still need help, do contact our customer support team on support@reallysimplesystems.com. Thank you for watching our webinar today, and do get in touch if you have any questions.